This is ICP-7. I decided to use the basic video game characters in Mario to demonstrate the different properties of this software and the different ways that it can create an ontology. So the classes are character type, color, and speed. And then subclass of character type is ally, enemy, NPC, and player. This in and of itself has subtypes of active and passive, and the enemy subtypes strong and weak, NPC non-speaking and speaking, and player type is just the different characters that might be played. There weren't really subcategories in the player type specifically. Checking the object properties, we can identify color and speed and character type with the object properties, and then with the data properties, just decided to go with simple height or is playable data type, which is a Boolean type. So the individuals we can see are all of the different options for the classes in their most basic stage. And we also have the characters themselves who are identified within those subcategories. So object property assertions are here, data property assertions, and then we have the individuals by class as well to give a bit of a better organization of those. Then if we do the DL query, if we go to the Sparkle query and we execute that, we have the different categories for the character types specifically. And then when we go to the visualization, we get something like this, where character type is the element that has the most derivatives. So it is centered to the structure, but we also have the color, and we also have the speed element, which for some reason didn't load onto this visualization. I don't know why that is. But if we see the different character types, we have subclass of, NPC is a subclass of, ally is a subclass of, enemy is a subclass of, player is a subclass of, and then we see the different elements in each type. Over here, I have weak selected, which is the Goomba and the Koopa. If you open up the information on the Goombas, you can also see here that they are, Goomba is enemy type, character type weak, color brown, speed slow, height and is playable is false. And so that was all of the different interactions that I was able to pull together for that character set.